Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. This time we are going to see in Framer some effects that we can use with the page. So here we have this pipe effect that shows us this effect. So we are going to start from this. Now let's create a new frame where we are going to change the color to the blue one. For the page, we are going to use this and then we drag to create this. Make sure to meet the border. Then for the car, we are going to use another frame. So let's reduce the size, add border radius, maybe make it smaller, and then we can also give it shadows. So we are going to create the blur and then make 4 copies of this. Now what we need to do is to connect the page to those 4 cards. Okay, the first problem are the padding. That we need to do to fix this is to go to page, section, then to gap, and increase this. So we have this gap between the cards. Then we need to increase the padding. Okay, here we go. Now the page offers some effects that are 5 options. The first one is norm. The second one is cube. That could also be vertical. The third one is cover flow. If we put it horizontal, it looks like this. Then we have wheel. And then we have pair. For the pair, I think it looks great in vertical mode. To solve this, what we need to do is to increase the size of the page and then change the width and height to auto. And now we need to fix this. For that, we are going to use padding and increase the top. And here we got the result that we wanted. This all. Hope you learned something new in this video and see you in the next one. Bye bye.